reforma migratoria. Un aliado. Abogado Borja. 718 La Migra. 718-526-4472.
Hello, I am Michael Borja, and today I'm going to discuss the recent Senate bill approval and political developments that have happened in the last 3 weeks regarding immigration reform. I would like to start off by clarifying that the law has not been passed. I've had many clients call, ask about the law being approved. It has just been approved by the Senate. The bill has yet to go through the House of Representatives before it reaches the President's desk for signing. On June 27, 2013, after more than 6 months of negotiation behind closed doors and nearly 1 month of debate on the Senate floor, the bipartisan effort succeeded in the Senate with the approval of the Comprehensive Immigration Reform Bill. With the support of all the Democrats, 2 independents, and 14 Republicans, the bill was passed with 68 votes in favor and 32 against. The bipartisan framers of the bill, known as the Gang of Eight, made a number of modifications to the original plan to be presented for the final vote in the Senate. The amended bill of roughly 1,200 pages raises the budget for border security. In the next decade, $40 million would go towards the hiring of 20,000 additional border agents and putting up 700 miles of fencing along the Mexican border, of which 350 are complete. The bill sets a path to citizenship for undocumented residents with a possible faster track for young illegal immigrants and agricultural workers. The road to citizenship is one that would be guided by a merit-based system. Priority would be given based on family ties, education, and nearly half of the yearly visas would be based on job skill. This measure could help reunite families and help students who were brought into the country at an early age. It would provide for the immediate immigration of spouses and children of green card holders. However, it would also eliminate the diversity lottery and green card category for siblings. As for the temporary visas, the bill would offer 115,000 up to 180 H-1B visas a year for highly skilled workers based on the job market. The plan also introduces a new 3-year visa for entrepreneurs starting businesses in the United States. Lastly, the bill includes that within 5 years, all employers must use the electronic verification system, E-Verify, to ensure that all newly hired employees are authorized to work. If a worker is being employed without authorization, he or she could lose his or her provisional status. Before the highly anticipated immigration reform bill can become law, it must be passed by the House of Representatives, which is where the biggest struggle lies. The House of Representatives is very hesitant in passing the Senator's bill and will most likely draft its own bill to go to vote. But the Speaker of the House, House Republican John Boehner, has assured that he will block the vote of any immigration bill that does not carry the support of the majority of the House Republicans. But even Republicans are divided on the matter. Some top voices of the Republican Party support a path to legalization for the over 11 million undocumented residents. Some of the biggest issues concerning Republicans in the House of Representatives on the matter are border security and the granting of citizenship to those who are in the country illegally, including those who overstayed their visas and entered the country illegally. The houses share opinion over the use of merit-based system as well as the use of E-Verify, but there are still disagreements over issues in different areas of immigration reform. The House has made it clear that it will not pass legislation on immigration reform until the Mexican-American border is completely secured. In addition, the House wants to extend the length of time for immigrants to earn their citizenship. Republicans in the House want to eliminate family chain visas and get rid of the provisions Senate-approved bill that would grant guest worker visas. However, Democrats have gotten their point across to the opposing party. They will not agree with a plan that does not include citizenship for the 11 million illegal residents in the United States. President Obama recognized the Senate's decision as a critical step towards mending the broken immigration system that has yet to adjust to the socioeconomic status of the country today. As one of his top priorities, Obama has also encouraged both Speaker of the House, John Boehner, and Democrat House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi to push the immigration reform bill in the House. House Speaker Boehner has mentioned that he hopes to reach some conclusion on immigration reform by the end of this year. One House Republican revealed that the issue may be put off for debate until the fall. Once the House decides on their bill, the bill passed by the Senate and the one proposed by the House must be sent to a conference committee for examination of the differences, which could be substantial, and must be passed one more through each House of Congress. The key, as many political analysts have mentioned, is the House's approval. The Senate already passed one bill on immigration reform, which it could surely do once more. In any event, the coming months will surely be dramatic as discussion of immigration reform continues to stir in Congress, as the House of Representatives forms a plan it will put to vote. The process for change in the immigration system is very long, but as President Barack Obama has repeatedly stated, it is change that must occur. I hope this information has been useful, and if you have any doubts or concerns regarding the matter, please contact us at 718-LA-MIGRA or 718-526-4472. It would be our pleasure to help and answer your questions. Have a great day.
Reforma migratoria. Un aliado. Abogado Borja. 718 La Migra. 718-526-4472.